Hello, grade 2, and welcome to your math lesson of Tuesday. Good job! You press play, you're ready to go. Well, grade 2, I'm just going to share my screen with you so that we can begin. Hopefully you have your bell work ready to go, and now we can get our minds warmed up for math. Today we're going to be focusing on number sense and operations. Ooh, you get to be a doctor maybe and do an operation. Not that kind of operation. Number 1, what is the number? Do you see that they have some rods here, some 10 rods, and some ones? How many 10s are there? The number here. How many 1 little cubes? And so what's the number in all? Count it by 10, 20, and so forth, and then count on by ones. The next question is order the numbers from the greatest to the least. The numbers are 73, 21, and 17. Put the greatest number on the left, the middle number in the middle, and the least number at the far right. Number 3, what are 2 related facts for 5 plus 3 equals 8? So you are not trying to figure out what 5 plus 3 is. They've already given you the answer 8. Do you remember we made our math related families in those little houses? We put 2 numbers in the corner of the house, and the very tip top, we put how much they equal to if you added them together. Well, here we have an addition sentence blank and a subtraction sentence blank. How else can you use only these 3 numbers? Don't introduce any new numbers. How can we use these 3 numbers, 5 plus 3 equals 8, to build an addition sentence and a subtraction sentence? It needs to be true, and you can only use 5, 3, and 8. Those are your clues for finding the right sentences. Number 4, color 1/2. This is the symbol that means 1/2 of the shape. So do you see that this shape is split into 2 equal parts? You only need to color in 1/2 of the shape. Okay, now you are warmed up. You've got your math mind set, and we're ready to go to our activity page for today. We're talking about money. So here are some things we're going to purchase, some price tags. We're going to buy something that's pretty good price, 15 cents. Another thing that's worth 26 cents. And something else that's worth 35 cents. And finally, something that's worth 45 cents. And in each of the boxes of the price tag, they have a collection of coins. That's what I see. And now let's read the instructions. It says, color the coins you need to make the amount in the box. Now let me just tell you that there might be more than one way to get to that amount. Only color the coins that add up exactly to that amount. And there's more than one right answer, but be careful to not color in too few and be careful to not color in too much. We're not going to be practicing making change today, so only making the exact amount that is listed in the price tag. So On the first box, I see 3 ways that you can make the price of 15 cents. Make sure that you are using your money mat to help you remember how much each coin is worth. Also, on this page, it shows what each coin's value is. If you look very, very carefully, it's printed small. And then on the bottom of the page, it has one more challenge, actually 2 challenges. The first question says, how many coins are on this page all together? So what do you need to do when it says all together? That's right. You need to count up all of the coins all together in each of the boxes all the way. And then fill in the blank. It says there are coins on this page. The next challenge is, what is the total of all these coins on the page? That's talking about the value. So how many cents? This is going to take you a little bit of time, and I want you to take your time and do it carefully. Don't rush this part. Make sure you're checking your work. Look for all the nickels. Those are all the 5-cent coins. In the brackets here, it gives you a tip. 5-cent coins. Count up all of the 5-cent coins. And it says, what is the total of these coins? So when you find maybe there's 3 nickels. So then you need to count 3 5s. 5, 10, 15. But there's not. There's more than 5. There's more than 3. Then you need to count how many dimes. Let's say that there are 10 dimes. Then you would need to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Count how many dimes there are and count by tens. And then you need to count the value of the quarters on this page. This one is going to take you a little bit more of time to figure out. Go back to your money mat. On the bottom of your money mat, it shows a clue, a hint for how to count by 25s. And it goes like this: 25, 50, 75, $1. Or 25, 50, 75, 100. Now, today in our Zoom meeting, early this morning, we're going to play a game. We're going to play a game that counts by 25s. And if we were in person, we would be standing in a circle and we would each count out to number. 25, the next person would say 50. The next person would say 75, and the fourth person would say $1, and they would sit down. And then the game would continue around the circle until everyone was sitting down. We're going to try to do that in our Zoom meeting today. I hope it works because it should be fun. Anyway, so now we are through our activity page. Take your time. Don't get frustrated. It might take you a little bit more time than you've been speeding through your other pages, but take your time to learn this well. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.